in the Mahayuti. So it's not just about the CM race in Mahavikas Aghadi, but the Mahayuti as well. Now, why we are saying that? Because in a significant development within the Mahayuti alliance, Shinde Sena leader Sanjay Shirsat has openly expressed his desire for Eknath Shinde to become the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He called Shinde the most preferred CM face, urging alliance partners to consider their request and ensure that Shinde's leadership is recognized in the upcoming political shifts.
सर्व पाहिलात तर मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या नावाला शिंदे साहेबांच्या नावाला सर्वात जास्त पसंती देण्यात आलेली आहे. म्हणून आमच्या पक्षाची भूमिका लेवलला कुणी जाणार नाही. मला वाटतं सामंजस्याने आणि एक आत्मविश्वासाने या सर्व निर्णय घेतले जातील आणि त्यात मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे साहेब असावेत हा जो आमचा आग्रह आहे त्याला कदाचित मान्यता सुद्धा मिळेल.
The Maharashtra BJP chief Chandrasekhar Bawankule meanwhile has made another significant statement, endorsing Devendra Fadnavis as the next chief minister of Maharashtra. Bawankule's comments come ahead of crucial political developments in the state, further intensifying the speculation around leadership choices within the Bharatiya Janata Party, within the Mahayuti.
भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं को लगता है देवेंद्र जी सीएम होना चाहिए, एकनाथ जी की तरफ उनको लगता है और अजीत दादा को लगते हैं, लेकिन आखिरी निर्णय क्या होता है तो हमारे केंद्रीय पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड, हमारे मोदी जी है, अमित भाई है, हमारे नड्डा जी है, तीनों नेता महाराष्ट्र के बैठेंगे.
सीट्स तो ज्यादा बीजेपी नहीं लड़ी है, तो क्या इस बार सीएम चेंज होंगे?
नहीं, ये किसके, ये आज निर्णय कौन करेगा? ये तो केंद्रीय पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड करेगा. जो निर्णय मेरे कार्यकक्षा में नहीं है, मैं कैसा उनको बोलूं, लेकिन पक्का है कि हमारा केंद्रीय पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड और तीनों नेता बैठकर योग्य निर्णय करेंगे.
We have Abhishek and Shrishti on the broadcast with us. So, Shrishti, Mr. Bawankule, they are saying, endorsing Devendra Fadnavis's name. And towards the end, he did try to, balance his statement by saying that ultimately it's the party leadership which will decide and will decide within the Mahayuti.
Well, of course, Chandrasekhar Bawankule is a significant personality in the state of Maharashtra, as he is a Maharashtra BJP chief. Now, he has put forth his wish, as well as he has mentioned that Devendra Fadnavis should be the chief minister. But of course, he has balanced out his statement wherein he has mentioned that the parliamentary board will decide and all three leaders from the parties will decide. But we have seen in the past how BJP has pushed Devendra Fadnavis's name. If we go back, when the entire dynamics changed, when the Shinde Sena split out of Uddhav Thackeray's party, when they were announcing the chief minister, it was a shock for BJP karyakartas at that particular time when the new government was formed in the state of Maharashtra. Everybody was thinking that Devendra Fadnavis will take the chief ministerial post and CM Shinde is likely to be a deputy chief minister. But then after that, we have seen multiple karyakartas of BJP. They were angry with the top brass. They mentioned that we want our BJP chief minister. Now, this wish seems to be, in the heart of all the BJP karyakartas, and that is what is reflecting from the Maharashtra BJP chief is what we can understand. But of course, the Shinde Sena leaders are pushing for Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. They are saying that he is a Neta who has worked for people and people know him. That's why he should be the Chief Minister. Interestingly, today there were posters of Ajit Pawar also which were put up as a Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Of course, there is a race for CM pace.
Stay on with us. Let me bring in Abhishek. Well, last time around when Eknath Shinde took oath as the CM, many were left surprised. This time when, the BJP is contesting, of course, on more number of seats than the Ajit Pawar camp or the Shinde Sena camp, one would assume that could be the formula, that the party that is contesting on most number of seats and winning most number of seats, in case that happens, then it should be given the opportunity to decide who will be the CM. Is that going to happen? Is there some other formula? Will there be a surprise in case Mahayuti is elected to power?
See, it's an unpredictable politics of Maharashtra which we have witnessed from past 2.5 years. So, as far as Mahayuti is concerned, it was never decided that they have any formula in place. It was only one single line that the entire assembly election will be fought under the leadership of Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, but he will not be the face ahead. It is something that all the top brass will be deciding after the election. That was the stand taken continuously by all the top three leaders. In fact, while Devendra Fadnavis spoke to Times Network exclusively, when he was posed that direct question, he also said that, I am not in the race of Chief Minister. Whether he stand by it is something that future will decide, but for now there is no clear-cut formula. But at the same time, party leaders in fact are thinking and expecting their senior leader, top brass, to be the chief minister, whether it is Devendra Fadnavis, chief minister Eknath Shinde, or you can say Ajit Pawar. But till now we cannot say that this would be the formula in Mahayuti, that
Right.
if they have these number of seats, or if that is the formula also, whether Devendra Fadnavis will be the chief minister is still can be a confusion, because BJP always surprises.
Absolutely.
That's what we are.
Well, let's see what the
known.
surprise is
And
going to be this time around. We don't know what will happen at the moment. All the camps, of course, are endorsing their own leaders as the CM face, whether it's the Mahavikas Aghadi or the Mahayuti. Abhishek and Shrishti, thank you very much for getting us the details. Moving on now, let's focus on the war of words which is happening, which has broken out between the BJP and the Aghadi leaders over the news of resorts and choppers being booked ahead of the verdict day in the state of Maharashtra.
कहते हैं कि हम अपने विधायकों को एक होटल में जमा कर देंगे। अरे भाई, आपके विधायक है, भेड़ बकरी है, आपको अपने विधायकों पर भरोसा नहीं है? अभी तो वो चुनकर आए भी नहीं है, उससे पहले ही बता रहे हैं कि ये बिकाऊ है, टिकाऊ नहीं है। मतलब साफ है कि एमवीए की सरकार नहीं बनने जा रही है। इसीलिए आप देखिए, झगड़ा पहले से ही शुरू हो चुका है। अब जिस प्रकार से नाना पटोले कह रहे हैं मेरा चेहरा होगा, मैं बनूंगा, मेरे पार्टी से बनेंगे, और संजय राउत जी बोल रहे हैं आपकी पार्टी से क्यों बनेंगे, हमारी पार्टी से बनेंगे। इसका मतलब साफ है कि एक अनार के पीछे 100 बीमार है।
महाराष्ट्र की जनता उनको छुट्टी देने वाली है अगले 25 साल के लिए। जिस तरीके से लूट मचाया है, जिस तरीके से भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, जिस तरीके से अदानी के सरकार चली है, वो खत्म होने वाली है। जनता हमें बहुमत देगी, स्पष्ट सिंपल मेजॉरिटी मिलेगी, और हम जनता की सेवा में 5 साल डटे रहेंगे, जुटे रहेंगे, और इनकी सरकार जाने को है। इसलिए ये लोग शायद हेलीकॉप्टर ये सब इसलिए बुक करा रहे हैं कि इनको पता है कि जब हारेंगे तो जनता इनको पूरा जो लेखा जोखा है वो कर देगी, और इसलिए उनको भागने की जरूरत पड़ेगी।
देखिए, सरकार एमवीए की ही बनेगी। एक चीज तो तय था महाराष्ट्र में कि जो सारा माहौल था वो भाजपा के खिलाफ था। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे कहने वाले बांटेंगे तो जीतेंगे पे पहुंच गए, और जिस हिसाब से उन्होंने अंत में वो फेक ऑडियो क्लिप निकाला सुप्रिया सुले जी का, नाना पटोले जी का, इससे बीजेपी की घबराहट दिख रही थी। जितने भी मतदार से मैंने बात की महाराष्ट्र में, वो ये सब चाहते थे कि सब कह रहे थे कि सबसे बड़ी भूल कमल का फूल, और वो चाहते थे कि भाजपा दोबारा सरकार में ना आए।
Well, not just resort politics. Now there's also a tussle within both the MVA and the Mahayuti alliance for the post of the chief minister. And this time posters pitching Ajit Pawar as the next CM have been put up in his constituency in the Pawar bastion, that is Baramati. Meanwhile, watch how war of words is playing out between the NDA leaders and the INDI leaders over battle for Maharashtra.
नाना पटोले और संजय राउत का स्पर्धा है कि किसने ज्यादा विवादक बयान दिए। ये वही पार्टी है जो विश्वास करती है वोट जिहाद में, नोट जिहाद में, लिकर जिहाद में, तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति, और इनकी नैया तो डूब चुकी है। यहाँ स्पष्ट रूप से महायुति जीत के आएगी, और जो लोग विवादक बयान कर रहे हैं, मैं यही कहूंगी कि आपकी नैया तो डूब चुकी है।
I don't think Mr. Patole is the person in the Congress system who has a right to select who the Chief Minister will be. The Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi was formed around certain principles. There is a mutual understanding as to which the big leaders are, and the MVA leaders have always said that once we win the elections, this is something that the MLAs and the senior leaders will find out. So I think Mr. Patole has probably got too excited and is making the statement that he does. Let's wait for tomorrow's results, and it will also depend on which of the MVA parties gets how many seats at the end of it, and then we'll decide.